Share, comment, subscribe, like, or dislike to my channel, please. Share, comment, subscribe, like, or dislike to my channel, please. Don't forget to hit the bell because you will never know when I come out with another video. Share, comment, subscribe, like, or dislike to my channel, please. Share, comment, subscribe, like, or dislike to my channel, please. Don't forget to hit the bell because you will never know when I come out with another video. Don't forget to hit the bell because you will never know when I come out with another video. Share, comment.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today I'm going to try to show you how to clean your coffee maker the simple and easy way with stuff you should already have in your home. All you need is some vinegar and water. Now I'm going to show you what you need to do. Okay, now you take your vinegar. I'm using this vinegar at the moment because this is the only one I have on me. But I'm quite sure you can use any vinegar as long as it's white vinegar. Because I use all the vinegar. But this is the only one I have on me at the moment. So now you take your vinegar. You pour it in here. It's probably like half and half. Half vinegar and half water. Now I'm going to show you how much I have in here. I hope y'all can see that. Now you add your water. I'm using this purified water. You don't have to if you don't want to. I'm only just using this at the moment. You can't use Hive water. Now you fill the rest of it with water. Now I'm going to set it to the side because I want to show you where you're supposed to put the water inside of this thing. You open this part up right here. You push this in. You open it. I'm going to take this out so I can be able to show you better. You see these holes right here? Right here and right here? That's where the water goes. You pour the water in here. They're right in them two holes. Either or, it don't matter. You put the water in there. Let's get the water. Now let's pour. Shucks. This thing is... Okay. I'm going to pour this in something else because this thing right here is not acting right. Hold on for a second. Okay, now I'm back. I'm going to pour this water in here. The reason why I didn't know that this thing is like this because I just got this coffee maker. I just got it not too long ago. My first time using it, and I wanted to do a video showing people how to clean it. That's why I didn't know that this do this. Now that I got it in the cup, now I'm gonna try to pour it in here from the cup. Pour a little more water because I waste some of it. Okay, now you close it up. You turn it on. Now I think you hit. I think you hit this button. Brew now. Hold on for a second. Okay, I'm still learning how to operate the thing. Like I said, I just got it. So now you hit brew only first. You hit this button first, and then you hit brew now. Then it should start working. So yeah, it's coming out. And then once this is done, what you do is you can pour this out, or you can redo it again with vinegar and water. And you can do it as many times as you like till you think it's clean to your best, the way you want it. And then after that, you fill this up with water and pour it in there, just water, no vinegar, just water. You pour it in there to rinse the vinegar smell out as many times it takes to get rid of the smell. And that's all. That's all to it. We're gonna see how long it takes to brew. It's 2:18 now. It already started, so I would say we probably started at 2:17 p.m. in the evening time. Okay, it's 2:20 p.m. right now, and I think it's not even half full. It's right here. It's 2:20 p.m. Okay, now it's 2:22 p.m. and now the water is right here. The water is right there. I think that's like halfway. It's 2:22 p.m. It's 2:24 p.m. and the water is right here. It's moving along, but it's moving slow. 2:24 p.m. This is where the water is at. Now it's 2:25 p.m. and it's almost through. It's nearby through. I think it's through now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour another cup of vinegar and water in it to make sure that it's clean. To double check and make sure that it's clean. Then after I do that, then I will come back and show you when I pour the plain water in. I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm gonna add the plain water to it now. Do the same thing, you open it up. But I'm gonna pour it in this cup right here. Make it a lot easier on me. Now you do the same way. You do it the same way you do when you pour the vinegar and water in. You hit brew only, then you hit brew now, and you just let it do its thing. I'll be right back. Okay, now that it's through, you can add another thing of water if you like, or it could be done. I'm through for now. So, thank you for watching to the end. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you like, share if you want to. Bye bye. Bye bye.